Today we're on the way to Malbork. We finished our journey in Gdańsk. I've rented a car, got a nice Ford Mondeo, and now we're on the way to Malbork. We're on the highway, cruising at 130 kilometers an hour. Yeah, so we're going to our farm today to see the family, see the fields, find my happy place under my tree, and see the animals. It's going to be an awesome day. Beautiful weather. We had a massive storm yesterday. A little mini tornado as well went through Gdańsk, but today is just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, stay with us. We are nearly at the farm. Super excited. Getting very, very excited. Are you getting excited?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to the most?
The dogs.
The dogs and walking in the field, seeing deer, rabbits, right?
Yeah.
It's good to be a kid on the farm here. We are on the beautiful farm. Beautiful summer's day. Can't wait. Hutch, come here. Fresh apples. You want to taste one? Come on, you gotta taste an apple. Fresh apples from the tree. Wow. Just try one. No, don't give it to her. Try it, just try it and then give it to her. Try it. What
Yummy.
do you think?
Yummy. Is she gonna bite me?
Probably. This is the best thing about Poland. Apples growing on the side of the road, everywhere. Hey, Kaya?
I don't like that. Oh my god, there's a cat.
Yeah, that's Lavender. That's the kitten I was sending you photos of. She's caught something, look. Lavender. She caught something. Probably some kind of a bug. What do you think?
Yeah. I wish the dog was friendlier.
The dog needs to get used to you.
But she still bite you.
Because she doesn't remember me yet, huh? Cześć, Kaya. You remember me? Me and the dog used to fight to the point where my arms would be bleeding from her scratches. And then she'd fight with the cat. Look at the cat, Lemmy. Do you remember me, kitten? That's it. Mine was all brown. Look at the flowers. So Aria, her name is Aria.
Is it gonna bite?
It's Aria. So Aria. No.
Fluffy!
All of these are apple trees. There's an apple tree there. There's agres, which is gooseberry. Come and look at the greenhouse, Lemmy. Look at the greenhouse. Look at the tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes. They look like nuclear accidents. They're huge. Look at this. Look at this. Cucumbers. Massive. It's a hot greenhouse. It's hot in here, hey? You want a tomato? When you were a kid, you used to come in here and steal all the tomatoes, and Babcia would shout at you, "Ah, moje pomidory!" I'll have to put up some photos of Lumi in the wheat fields because they were up to her stomach, and now she's nearly as tall as me. Nearly, not yet. But grab one. Grab one. Ready? Just take them out like this. And then you got all the grains. You did that. Here you go. We're at our family's wheat field, and over there is the air base. If you've watched my vlog before, you would have seen all the fighter jet action that I record here. Oh, look. There's a hawk. Today, Eurofighters and either fighter jets will be taking off to patrol the Baltic skies. So a friend of mine that I met here back in winter, he does all the videography and photography of fighter jets here. He drives 200 k's to get here. He rang me and he says, "Are you in town? Because there's fighter jets coming." I'm like, yes. So I'm going to take Lumi. Last time I took Lumi here, we stood right above the fighter jets as they were landing. So hopefully we'll see that again tonight. But first we're going to go see some old friends. Hello. Good evening. You want to feed it? A, czekam, młoda tam jest.
Please don't bite me.
No, they don't bite. Czemu? Why? Ten biały?
Boli cię?
The white fence.
It's prickly.
Daj mi kreska. Oh, so good.
Mam drugiego. Wilkaczku.
Gryza dawaj. Oh. I love Polish suburbs. Everyone's got a little veggie patch. We're gonna go get some raspberries now. And carrots and pickles and, well, not pickles, cabbages, raspberries. Oh. These are all raspberries. O, ale marchewka! Królik jest. Co masz?
Malinka.
Wow. Look at this bumblebee, Lemmy.
A to jest jakieś warzywo? To coś to?
To jest
Chcesz?
Nie. Tam można
Chcesz?
wejść. Mam, no.
Building on the railway all the day long. Oj. Come on, get the stinging nettle out. Ja chcę jabłko. I want an apple, but there's a stinging nettle there.
Ty tam nie patrz, tylko tutaj, bo tutaj kurde 2 kroki i będzie jabłko.
No właśnie, Lena. Jest tak. Dawaj. O! Nie, pogryzione. Chcę jeszcze inne.
Jemy.
No dawaj te czerwone. O. Super. O,
Dobre?
ale słodkie. Try.
No, thank you.
Co ty robisz, Lena? What are you doing? Co ty robisz?
Marchewkę.
Pokaż kolano.
To się umyje.
No,
Paweł to nie marchewka.
chodź mi.
Tutaj
Wyciągnij.
jest. Paweł to nie marchewka. Ale jak jest zadowolony.
Chodź, Bak, daj sobie picie.
Tutaj to duże, no.
Weźmiemy, tak?
W tamtym roku były takie duże marchewki, że trudno było je nawet wyciągnąć.
Ah, good one?
Yeah.
And just give it a smack on the ground and shake it off. Wow! A Lena tak nie może. You gonna do it?
I can't do that.
Te na czole mogą być? Nie tym razem.
Dobra, trzymaj.
So cute.
He wants more pats. He's looking at you.
But I like it.
He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Łapkę.
No widzę.
Ale opalać się.
Go through it. No i
Cold.
Leć!
Ale mapa.
Oh, cold.
We are in Malbork now, going to get some ice cream. Świderki! One świderek a day keeps the doctor away.
Idziemy?
Every year they set up the Spiegel tents here where you can buy specific beers from Malbork, cheeses, honeys. Oh, they got pierogi! This is the world's biggest castle, the Malbork Castle. It was a Teutonic Knights castle, and it was the only castle that wasn't conquered by the Polish king. Alright, so thoughts of the first time in 6 years being back on the farm?
Very cool memories coming back.
Yeah? Oh, I'm so happy. Tomorrow's going to be a big adventure for you, huh? Yeah. So stay with us because tomorrow we're going to do a big adventure. Now to have a rest. It's 9:30 at night. It's still bright, but we need a shower. We're sticky, we're sweaty. Okay. Good night.
Please don't bite me.
She nipped you.
See?
Kaya,
What is lie down? I can't touch it.
Get on her level.